and beverage innovation for Abstrax. I am a Siebel Institute of Brewing Technology School brewmaster. I was the sole supplier of soda pop for Salt and Straw for about 6 years on the soda pop company based up here in Portland. I have been a director of food and beverage innovation specifically in the cannabis industry now for 6 years. I've overseen the development of multiple different lines of edibles projects in multiple different states, and then moved into the terpene side of things specifically about 5 years ago. So Abstrax was founded in 2018 to provide true to type, scalable, 50-state legal terpene solutions for every client in the vape industry and anybody looking to access accurate cannabis flavors in their food and beverage formulas as well. So we are headquartered in Southern California. We have the distinct advantage of really strong relationships with the folks that have created the most well-known cannabis genetics in the world. We hold license for all of the major cultivators in California for their terpene formulations in vape and food and beverage. Jack Herer, Sherbinsky's, Jungle Boys, Josh D, etc., etc. We developed an analytical protocol, which is very much one of a kind for this industry, that allows us to develop analysis that is so granular that we are pulling nearly 100% accurate recreations of these terpene profiles that we're receiving from cultivators, and then sensory checking off them as well to make sure that it is as true to type as they expect it to be. Currently, so for the cannabis market specifically, we are a global company. We ship to I think currently 16 different countries. There are no limitations on what we sell to clients, and there are no limitations to the market application. So outside of cannabis formulations for food and beverage, or formulations for food and beverage that are seeking to leverage terpene functionality, we also provide flavor solutions to the largest brewing operations in the world, as well as many craft brews as well. But we provide flavor solutions top down that are globally legal and distributed globally. So truly anybody looking to leverage the zeitgeist of cannabis flavor should probably talk to us. Yeah, I mean, really, it's the analytics piece, the protocol that we developed to analyze and recreate flavor at the level of accuracy that we do is fully unmatched in the cannabis industry and external of the cannabis industry in traditional flavoring. When we're talking about major multinational companies like IFF and Givaudan, things like that, even they don't have quite as specific a focus on or ability to recreate these flavors as we do. So that is distinctly special. In addition to that too, like I said, we have very organic relationships with people that have created these cannabis strains. And that's something that you really you can buy, but it hasn't been purchased yet. We have these relationships because we're the only people that can do it. And that's very special.